Put 1 rosemary in your shoe and see what happens. This is a very important tip that you will carry forever in your life. You will see the amazing result that just 1 sprig of rosemary will bring you. This technique is very old. Many people used it and still use it. It is a good and cheap tip. But before I explain you better about this tip, comment the city you are watching us. I'm going to take advantage of this and pass on a message that is in Matthew 6 verse 33. But seek ye first the kingdom of God, and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. This text says that basically it is to put your trust totally in the Lord's hands and to seek him as more important. This should be the aim of the one who loves and trusts the Lord. He will see to it that the things we need will be added. Now let's continue with the video. Sometimes we don't give the proper importance to our feet. And they are what sustain us. They are what connect us to the energy of the earth. Under the foot there are a lot of reflexology points. Our foot is like a second brain, because it circulates a lot of energy that connects to all our organs. Just 1 sprig of rosemary in contact with our foot is able to protect liver health, combat mental fatigue, improve digestion circulation, relieve headaches, and much more. If you have problems with feet fungus, rosemary is also amazing for putting an end to this problem. It is an excellent natural antiseptic and decorative. You only need to use a small piece of rosemary inside your shoe. You will take a little bit like this, put it inside your shoes, and put your foot in them. You can do this with other herbs as well, such as calendula and lavender. The results are also amazing. It doesn't matter what part of the plant you use. You can put the leaves, flowers, or even a twig. After using the shoe, just discard the herb, okay? The next day, just put a new plant in the shoe. Do this practice for at least 7 days, so you can feel the difference in your body and energy. Come back here later and tell me about your results, okay? This was today's video. Thank you to everyone who has watched it so far. May God bless you. A big hug, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.